Final video to fix mods not working in Baldur's Gate 3. And if your mods don't load or cause errors, listen carefully. Are you facing the problem where Baldur's Gate 3 ignores mods or crashes when you try to use them? This usually happens because mods are installed incorrectly. The game version is incompatible or file paths are wrong. Sometimes small glitches or hidden conflicts prevent mods from activating properly. Many YouTube and social media solutions show long manual installs, confusing folder tweaks, or risky edits that take forever and often fail. On Rexish, I keep it simple and safe. I discovered a secret easy trick that makes mods work correctly and loads them without errors. This trick checks game version compatibility, installs mods in the right folders, and ensures the game recognizes them properly. You do not need advanced skills or extra software. I tested this method multiple times, and it works perfectly every time. This solution saves time and gets your mods running fast. Watch fully so you do not miss the key step most guides skip. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial explained slowly and clearly, comment below and tell me you want it. Rexish always delivers real fixes that actually work. So stay tuned and fix Baldur's Gate 3 mods not working the smart way.